Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamira, but you can call me Mira, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine. Let's get right into it. The first thing I like to do is cleanse my face, of course, but I like to double cleanse. This consists of an oil cleanse followed by a gentle face wash. Today I'm using grapeseed oil. I know on the bottle it says that it's like for frying and salad dressings, but grapeseed oil has so many benefits for the skin. It's packed full of vitamin E, it's non-allergenic, it's good for acne, and also good for oily skin. I know some of you are like, how is oil good for oily skin? Like, that doesn't even make any sense. That's a great question, but oil attracts oil. So when you add an oil cleanse into your routine, it is unclogging your pores and getting rid of any oil, makeup, dead skin, blackheads, stuff like that. Now I'm just taking a warm and damp clean washcloth and removing the excess oil from my face. I love doing oil cleanses because it gives me that glow from within look that I love so much. I just realized how rough I'm being around my eyes here. Please don't do that. The second part of my cleanse is going to be the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I love this face wash because it's super gentle and it doesn't leave my face feeling tight and dry after I use it. So I'm just going to go in with that and remove any of that excess oil residue. You want to make sure that you cleanse your face for at least 60 seconds. This is because it gives your products enough time to actually start working on your face. If you're washing your face for like 15-30 seconds at a time, the products barely have the time to get warmed up and actually start working. So please, y'all, if you don't take anything else from me or anything else from this video, just remember the 60-second rule. I promise it will change your skin and change your life for the better. Now I'm just taking that washcloth and removing the excess cleanser from my face. The next step is going to be a scrub and mask. I'm using the Freeman's Clay Mask and Scrub. This product claims to tone, purify, and mattify your face. And since I've been using it, I've actually noticed a difference in my face. First, I'm going to apply the scrub onto my face and gently, I mean gently, start working it into my face. Don't go too crazy while you're scrubbing because you want to keep from causing micro tears on your face, which will eventually lead to irritation and premature aging. After my face is fully scrubbed, I will let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and let the mask dry down. Now you can sit with it longer than this, but I don't really like letting my mask dry all the way down just because it ends up getting really hard to take off. After that time is up, I'm just going to get the excess mask off of my face. I'm just taking a clean towel to pat my face dry and get ready for toner. The toner that I like to use is tea tree oil and water. Tea tree oil is very good for acne prone skin. It's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. But I do recommend that if you are going to use it, that you dilute it with water. Tea tree oil is way too strong to use by itself and it will burn you if you don't use it carefully. Now I'm just applying some Vaseline to my lips because they were looking a little crusty and y'all ain't about to do me. Now it's time to move on to moisturizer. I like to use this one by Clean and Clear because it has salicylic acid in it, which is just an acne fighting medication. Now I'm just going to evenly distribute that all over my face. And I forgot to mention that if you don't like that minty feeling, like that cooling effect, tea tree oil is probably not for you, as well as this moisturizer because it leaves your face a little minty. I honestly like that feeling, but it's not for everybody, so I just thought I would let you know. other tip I want to share with y'all is to make sure you're taking your skincare down to your neck. This will prevent signs of aging and keep us looking cute. Alright, we almost done, y'all. My last step is my serum or oil. I like to use rosehip oil because it's anti-aging and it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, make sure that you are actually applying this to your hands first and not putting the little dropper part on your face, just because you want to make sure that you keep that part as sterile as possible because it does go back into the product. And the order that you do these last two steps in is very important, just because when you apply your moisturizer first and then apply your oil, you're allowing the oil to seal in the moisture. But if you do it the opposite way, if you put the oil first and then put the moisturizer, you're actually creating a film on your face, and this does not allow the moisturizer to actually penetrate your skin. And that is it for my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.